When you waive repairs, this is what this means. So, what we're saying that you could do, this is optional. You can waive up to a certain amount of repairs in your offer. So that means that, say you chose that you're going to waive 2,500 or 5,000, if the repairs come back um, lower than that amount, then you are agreeing that you will not ask for any repairs back from the seller. This just helps to make your offer stronger. So you can offer, like, hey, if it doesn't come back, or if it comes back and the cumulative repair costs between all of my inspections is 2,500, I will not ask for that. But I can ask for things above the 2,500 amount if necessary, if I deem necessary. So, not me, but you. And so you can say, hey, there was this extra, repair that I didn't notice or that I wasn't expecting to come back. Say you had a sewer scope and there was, $2,500 worth of repairs there on top of the other repairs, then you could ask for that if you want to. Just keep in mind that um, whatever you're offering to the seller, we want to make sure that we go by that. Understanding that sometimes there's things that just come out of nowhere that you're not expecting, but you want to make sure to do things in good faith, and of course we're making your offer as strong as possible, and just know that the seller doesn't have to make any repairs. It's whenever you buy a home, it's always as is. Anything that they're willing to do afterwards is just a bonus. So another option is waiving repairs entirely and waiving credits entirely. You can do this if you are comfortable with that. Just know that most homes have a page or two of repairs that need to be done on it. It's a home that people live in, so more than likely there's going to be things that are wrong with the home. Barring anything like incredibly major, even major issues can be worked through. But if you aren't willing to take on repairs yourself out of pocket, then I would not recommend offering the complete inspection, or not inspection waiver, but inspection repairs waived. And so whenever you do that, you're not waiving your inspection contingency, you're just waiving the repairs associated with it whenever you're doing your due diligence. So when you're getting your home inspection, sewer, termite, whatever you're getting, those are for your information purposes only. And so this can help make your offer really strong, especially in a seller's market. And so I would recommend doing that if you can, and if you can't afford to make some repairs on the home, which, like I said, you're going to have to make some sort of repairs. You can't expect it to be 100% perfect because even new build homes aren't perfect. So, but that's just, a couple things that you can do to make your offer stronger.